This is a commercial installation of a little over 3,600 square feet of a vinyl plank from MSI. It's a 20 mil product. Style is Prescott. We're installing it through 2 floors. On this first floor, we had to do, fairly extensive patching on all expansion joints, the drains. Here it is, the project underway. All of the outside offices are getting done, continuing all the way through out to the warehouse. And then we continue right through here, going up to the second floor. This platform gets done. This is the second floor. It's all clean and ready to go. This will be underway in about 3-4 days. So this starts this commercial project. Again, a little over 3,600 square feet of a really nice 20 mil vinyl plank. And here's an ongoing installation. A lot of cuts, obviously a lot of cleanup. Mostly all of these other rooms are done here. One large room there, another small room here. All the edges are installed. End caps to the marble saddle. Reduces being dried over there. That'll finish up all the first floor with a cleanup, and the cove base goes on, and then we'll be starting on the second floor. So this project continues. On the first floor, a good portion of all the flooring installed. In all the rooms, more cleanup. Clean up, and then vinyl cove base installed on all the walls. And then, let's see, we got this outside hallway done. We'll see how we're the mid-platform here. And we'll take a look at the second floor. And this is well underway. All the rooms, material. So this is ongoing, approximately take another maybe 3 days to get it completely finished with all the vinyl base. So again, this is a little over 3,600 square feet of MSI, a 20 mil product, Prescott style. So we continue until we finish. And here we have the completed project, a little over 3,600 square feet of MSI. It's a 20 mil plank. Prescott is the style, in 2 floors. All the offices are completed, all with vinyl cove base. We proceed up to the second floor. All with the same material, similar layout, all adjoining offices. All with their vinyl transitions and cove base installed. So this completes this commercial project. If you would like to see more videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to our video gallery where you could see other videos of other categories of flooring. And while you're there, you could please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.